Hello, today I would like to show you something absolutely amazing. Most likely, if you are interested in a citizen band radio, in amateur radio, you came across those old handhelds, and they were absolutely great. They were built rock solid, but the most important part, they've got an exceptional range. Why is that? That's because we've got the very long telescopic antenna that you can extend, and it's like over 1 meter, like almost 1.5 meter in length. That's giving you absolutely great reception and transmit. But everything came with a problem, and just imagine that you are going for a hike, you go into hilltop, you extend it, you make your contacts, and it's great. It's totally cool. But what if you would like to walk with this antenna extended and wait for a contact, wait for a situation that someone is going to call you back? You see the problem? Having that metal piece all the time, you are going to bend it, you are going to break it, you are going to poke someone in the eye. But I found a solution, and the solution looks like this. And you are going to attach that element on top the antenna, and you've got a rubber ducky on the non-removable telescopic whip. Just take a look at this. And if you need to use it to make an actual call, you are going to just pull it and extend like this. So you are not going to extend it totally. I've got no idea what's the compatibility, because it's hard to measure the SWR and the power output of this system, because we do not have a BNC, and I'm not entirely sure if it should have a 50 ohm. We might do some measurement at some point in time, but right now I have not measured that. So the very important question is, why does it work that way? And if we pull the antenna, we can clearly see that some part you can easily pull, but the other part is sticking quite hard, and it's going to be grabbed by that element. So let's take a look. It's going to grab that section, and there is a pretty decent amount of antenna being hidden and not being used. So you can always pull it like this, and you can use the full size. But how it's made? So first of all, if we undo that part, there's just a junction, and here we've got a coil. We are going to access it from the other side, so it's going to make our impedance match. And here you can see the coil. This is mimicking our length of the antenna, and the top part is making a nice connection. What's interesting, it's made in Sweden by a company called ALLGON Antenna Sweden. I'm not sure if you can read that. And this is absolutely great. I like the tip, very similar to the one on the Motorola radios. You can see the same tip, very distinctive, is being used on the Motorola antennas. Just in case you would be curious what's the length of the antenna, it is 38 centimeters. That's the total length of the antenna. So in my opinion, this is absolutely great find for anyone who's enjoying working with those old radios. I'm not forcing you to transmit with this, but just for a receive, that make absolutely lot sense. You are not going to damage your antenna. You can have it constantly on and monitor the situation on the channel. In my opinion, great thing. I cannot tell you where you can buy this, because this is something vintage that I found just in one piece. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.